Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to put two people together using one IA tool that gives us two different premium IA models for free. Create one photo and then turn that photo into a video. First, we download images from Google, one of Nicole and one of Junior Vinicius. Next, we copy a ready-made prompt from ChatGPT. If you want more ready-to-use prompts, check our free book or learn how to create a better prompts in our Udemy course. The links are in description. Then we go to Lovage. We keep this settings by default. Select Nano Banana Pro, choose the images together and paste the prompt. As you can see, the generated image looks more realistic. Now it's time to turn the image into a video. We download it, select generated image, select the image, paste a sample prompt, and about 20 seconds the video is ready.